Hey guys, this is Bam of adobotech.net, and today we are unboxing the new Reno 10x Zoom. But not this kind of Reno, this kind of Reno. It's the new OPPO Reno 10x Zoom. It's the latest smartphone, of course, from OPPO. So guys, please do subscribe on our YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button down below, and also you can visit our website, which is www.adobotech.net. Reno 10x Zoom. Here we go. Okay, so first up is this one. Let's see. Some paper materials right here. Okay, so next you can see it's the Reno smartphone right here. Okay, so I'll just open this box. Hey. Oh, look at that! It does come with a nice case. Let's check it out. Oh, that is nice. That is cool. Oh, feels like velvet inside, and that is a nice case. Okay, so what else? First, you have the charger right here. Of course, the Type-C cable right here. Oh, look, come with protective tip. That is nice, right? Cool. Okay, so what else? We got earphones right here. Nice. So let's check the earphones. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. This one's also Type-C. So I'm assuming that the OPPO Reno 10x Zoom won't have the 3.5 audio jack. This one's nice. And of course, the reliable ejector pin. So this is the new OPPO Reno 10x Zoom. This is actually really nice. It's a huge device. It has a nice feeling to it. It has curved sides. It's all full view screen right here. Wow, this is an amazing device. Okay, so let's see. Let's check the specs on the OPPO Reno 10x Zoom. So device name OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, model CPH1919. Color OS version 6.0, Android version 9, processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 octa-core. RAM, it has 8GB. Wow, that's a lot of RAM. Storage, 256GB. There's 220GB available for user. Okay, so what else? So this device is a dual SIM, 4G LTE, of course. Let's see. It has a Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, dual band. It also Bluetooth 5.0, NFC right here. So what else? Let's see. Oh, fingerprint. So as you can see, there's no fingerprint scanner at the back. So this one features an in-display fingerprint scanner. That is cool. So just like any other flagship device that coming out right now, it also features the in-display fingerprint scanner. terms of battery, the OPPO Reno comes with a 4065 milliampere battery and support the new VOOC 3.0 fast charging technology. OPPO Reno comes with a huge 6.6 Full HD AMOLED display. That is wow. It's a huge screen, but damn, that is a nice looking screen right here. So no notch at the top. Well, that is because the selfie or the front camera is now right here at the top. So OPPO called it the shark fin pop-up selfie camera. So to activate it, of course, you need to press the camera button right here and just click on the selfie button. There we go, right? So as you can see, it does pop up in a couple of seconds. OPPO claimed the selfie camera can elevate in just 0.08 seconds. So let's see how fast. Right. That is fast actually. Nice. Right? Cool. Wow. Oh, not only that, it also has this light animation on the screen. So I'll just show it to you. Okay, like that. Right. See? Okay. Here we go. Cool. So the front-facing camera or the selfie camera comes with a 16 megapixel f2.0 camera lens. Okay, so let's see what else. The power button is right here on the right side, and the volume control right here. At the bottom, so you have the Type-C speaker, microphone, and the SIM slot. Okay, so let's check on the SIM. Just look for the ejector pin. Okay, right here. So I'll do this like that, and oh, look at that. That is different. So it seems that OPPO opted to use the back-to-back type of hybrid SIM card. So it's a dual SIM, so you can use the, let's see. Okay, the other side, you can use a SIM 2 and also a micro SD card. While on the other side, you can use the SIM 1, of course, for your main SIM card. So it does support nano SIM. That is cool. So normally we do get the triple SIM, which is longer. So this one is a hybrid, back to back. Cool, nice job, OPPO, for this one. Okay, so the OPPO Reno runs on ColorOS 6 Android Pie. So it looks great, so responsive. So there's no app drawer, so all your apps can be accessed swiping left and right. Okay, so the usual app, it came in pre-installed with the usual Google stuff, and it also came pre-installed with Facebook and some other bloatware. So, well, you can uninstall some of them, I guess. Let's see. Sure enough, you can uninstall like this one. I can't understand it, so I'll install this one. Okay, so uninstall right there. Okay, so uninstall. And Vova, I don't know what that means, so I'll install it right there. Uninstall. So that's nice. Okay, so one of the cool features I love about the new OPPO Reno 10x zoom is the back cover. Nice, right? So these ones look really great. So it features a triple camera setup right here, and it doesn't have any camera bump. Wow, see? It's seamless, right? There's no bulge or camera bulge on it, which is I really like. Nice one, OPPO. So as you can see there, it's cool, right? So the back it says here, designed by OPPO. Okay, so this one, OPPO called it O dot. So it's designed to protect the camera lens when you place the device like that. So cool, right? So not only it complements the seamless design at the back, but it's also functional. That is really amazing, right? Cool. So guys, this is the new OPPO Reno 10x zoom. So please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button down below this video, and do visit our website, which is www.adobotech.net. Okay, so thank you for watching. Now back to work.